What's up guys, Ben here from BP's Workshop. Today I'm resealing this Allis Chalmers B engine. Gonna get everything all oil leak sealed. I bought a full kit. I'm not gonna pull the head. I don't think I need to. It doesn't smoke. Seems okay. It's not losing coolant. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for now, but I have it if I need it. And I also have a total magneto rebuild kit that I'll be doing in another video. Start off with, I'm taking the fan and the magneto off. I'm going to get all my tools set and then I'll be right back. Alright. So I got my little snap-on impact driver. There's that. Probably gonna take that to get sandblasted, so not too worried about it now. I gotta get these hose clamps off. Whoever put this alternator on just took the existing generator bracket, ran the bolt through and shoved it up and tightened it, and it's all crooked and shit. I found a nice painted bracket and an alternator, single wire alternator to run through. This looks like it's a Ford alternator, 3-wire on the back into a voltage regulator. So don't want that on there, obviously. So that's coming off. Let's get this magneto out. It's dirty in there, and there's no more gasket. That's okay. So this is what I meant by somebody plugged a wire into the case here. Ew, that's gross. And then they put a wire up here. So I got a new one of these. This case seems okay. Hopefully I can maybe fill that or solder it up just so I can get it out. I have a new coil and the rest of the tune-up kit. I'll be doing that in the next video. So I'm going to take this, put it away. Save that. Later. Ooh. Didn't take care of this one. Oh, that's not good. Not what I was expecting. Yeah, I don't think it's coolant because it's clear. I think it's from when I washed it. But yeah, definitely not what I was expecting. Alright, I'm gonna clean this. Alright, so I got it cleaned up the best I could. My plan for now is just I'm gonna run it. I'm putting 1540 diesel oil in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it for a few hundred hours, you know, whatever, and then I'm going to take the valve cover off again and see if it's filled again, because I don't know if it's coolant or if it's water, because it wasn't green. It was just a murky color. So I don't know if it was green or clear from when I was washing it and degreasing it before. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. You know, it's not hard to pull the head, but obviously I'm not pulling the head outside. Water could have just gotten through the tarp, whatever. I doubt it did, but could have. Oh shit. Alright, it is now the next day. As you saw, it had about 9 quarts of oil or something in it for some reason. That whole jug is full, and that gallon container is full. So now that's done. It had a smidgen a bit of antifreeze in it, and I was like, oh crap, is this thing, you know, a bad head gasket? Is something other wrong? But we determined it was probably okay, so I'm gonna run it for the year, see how it goes. I have a head gasket. If I need to re-sleeve the block, I'll re-sleeve it. It's not that big of a deal. So now the last piece that needs to come out is the oil pan. Everything else is good. The magneto I'll probably rebuild in the next coming few days, so I have a video out on that. That's it for this video, guys. I just gotta put the drain plug in, fill the oil, and reset this engine. Done for now. Like I said earlier, next video is going to be the magneto. I appreciate everybody that's watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.